Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video here at Cuspide Insurance. My name is Carlos, a licensed agent. Today we are going to be talking about the best health insurance in California for 2025. Let's get right into the video. And as of very recently, we have decided to join the state of California, and there is no better way to kick things off with the best health insurance in the state of California. When I mean health insurance, I'm talking about the best health insurance companies under the Affordable Care Act. Under the Obamacare, we're going to start off with the new California health insurance changes for the year 2025. So for 2025, the new state funding leads to the highest level of financial help in 2025 due to the new cost sharing reductions, the CSR changes found inside the marketplace, and also more choices for consumers with 12 carriers to choose from. 92% of people will have at least 3 companies to choose from. The ability to have something to choose is always good instead of just being stuck with one option, right? Open enrollment always from November 1st to January 31st. In some states, it's January 15th, but in California, it's the 31st. And the ACA recipients will be able to enroll in covered California plans. Also, last thing is that nearly 25% of enrollees are expected to have $0 premiums in 2025. Most people qualify for a $0 a month plan, which many people under $10 a month. And guess what? You can call the number on the screen here, 305-970-8583. The marketplace is going to close soon, so do not miss out on the chance to renew your current plan or apply for you or your family members in 2025. 305-970-8583. Let's get started with the best health insurance companies. First up, we have probably the best one, Kaiser Permanente. Kaiser Health Insurance in California. This is regarded as many as the best health insurance company, not just in California, but overall, right? The main difference is that they're a nonprofit. A lot of these other companies are just businesses, right? They're going to try and milk as much money as possible. So that's one of the differences. They have many plans with $0 deductibles, with full benefits beginning, of course, as soon as the plan starts, because you don't have to give something up front. The only downside is that you can only get care in Kaiser's facilities, right? They have their own medical centers, their own doctors, their own system. So you can only get coverage through there because they are an HMO. They have a strong focus on preventive care with great online tools for members like telehealth, cost lookups, access to records, many things you can do inside their member portal once you are actually enrolled. Also, before we move on to the next one, this is really in no particular order just because there's a lot of factors that go into it. Like few other companies I can think of right now are like Aetna, Molina, HealthNet from Ambetter. A lot of these companies are good, right? Just because they're not mentioned here does not mean they're bad or anything like that. They're in different counties. Health insurance companies operate in different counties, so just because they're not mentioned here does not mean they're bad. It's all based on your needs, your wants, etc. So moving on, here we have Blue Cross Blue Shield of California, or Blue Shield of California Health Insurance. These have the best plans for flexibility with choosing doctors, specialists, etc. Just because they have a very large network, right? This is all under the Blue Cross Blue Shield Association, which is huge. They're in all 50 states. Under different names, like Anthem as well, which we're going to talk about now. They're really the only company to be in all 50 states. They're just absolutely huge. They have a high AM Best rating of A and customer satisfaction, which like over 90% of people saying they're going to enroll again. So that's really good news for newcomers here who are trying to see which plan to go with. And most of the plans are ranked amongst the cheapest. Of course, they're HMO plans. Usually HMOs are going to be the cheapest option. No matter where you are. And they are one of the few companies as well to have PPO plans available, which, of course, with a PPO plan, you can get care outside of your network, obviously at a bit of a higher cost, but you have that flexibility. You also don't need to choose a primary care doctor. You could go straight to a specialist. And final company we're mentioning here is Anthem, still by Blue Cross, Anthem Blue Cross in California. It's all kind of the same, although they're technically two different ones. They're more or less the same, but I do think these are some of the consistently best options in the state of California. They also have both HMO and PPO plans to choose from for those who want that flexibility. They will have that covered. And they have a cool thing, which is a 24/7 nurse lines for their members. So anytime you need to get checked out, you can get that done. A few companies actually offer this. This is one of them. With them having standalone vision and dental coverage available, some plans actually have that included, obviously at a higher cost. So you got to look out for that. Also, they are average in terms of pricing up on the screen here. Thanks to valuepenguin.com, you can see all the companies and their average pricing. So Anthem is kind of in the middle in terms of what you're going to pay in premiums. And they have one of the highest rankings overall in the state of California. Once again, just a great company to go with. Kaiser Permanente, Anthem Blue Cross, and Blue Shield of California. All solid companies, as well as Aetna, Molina, HealthNet, from Ambetter. All of these companies are good. Real quick though, before the video ends here, you can find the best health insurance in California with us here at Cuspide. Most people qualify for a $10 a month or less plan, and many of our clients, actually a lot of our clients, are paying $0 a month. They're not paying anything, right? So you can save money. We help you save money. We help you find doctors, find specialists, find nearby hospitals, clinics to get checked out by, make payments, and many, many more. We're going to be your full-time, forever partners in health insurance, in this health insurance business. Whatever you need, you could give us a call, 305-970-8583. The marketplace is open. Now is the time to enroll your current plan, right? Try and renew, try and find better options. Or if you haven't at all enrolled, then you can simply call the number on the screen to explore plans for you or your family members, cat, dog, whatever. 305-970-8583. I'll be waiting for your call to help you guys out. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care.